Students of MSc Chemistry from semester 1 of Physical Chemistry and respected listener, a very good afternoon and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Students of MSc Chemistry from semester 1, I am going to present today new topic titles I mentioned on the blackboard: chain reactions and its dynamic regarding to that is of hydrogen and bromine reactions. Today's topics chain reaction of hydrogen and bromine, which is basically chosen from that is of unit 3rd. Title is that is of chemical dynamics of MSc chemistry from paper 3rd of that is of physical chemistry. Today's to proceed to deliver today's lecture regarding to that is of hydrogen and bromine and its that is the chain reaction of hydrogen and bromine, its dynamic and kinetic feature. First of all, I would like to explain about two important theory to describe about that is of rate law and rate equation of collision theory, and that is of activated complex theory. I want to focus important features based on that is of activated complex theory. Student of MSc Chemistry from semester 1, activated complex theory, which is also known as that is of transition state theory or that is of absolute reaction rate theory. The important points to involve in that is of activated complex theory. First one postulates I would like to teach you today about that is of activated complex theory, basically developed, studied by that is of Polanyi, Eyring and Evans in 1935. Second postulate, it has been decided, it has been considered, it has been assumed that before the treatment of derivation of the reactions, undergo of the reactions, the state of the molecules one can that is of categorize as that is of normal molecules when is provided the temperature or heat to that is of any that is of reaction vessel in such a position after the collisions, after the explosive to take the form, or in other words normal molecules to take the form that is of activated complex, or in other words to take the form of after the collision these normal molecules to take the form of active molecules. These that is of active molecules now after the collisions or colliding to produce that is of intermediate species. Such intermediate species is known as that is of activated, that is of complex. Now the important characteristics of activated complex that is of which is unstable that is of unstable that is of species. Its fundamental characteristics can be explained by using that is of a dynamic profile which is plotted between that is a potential energy along with that is of a reaction coordinate. First important postulate regarding to define about that is activated complex theory, that is activated complex theory is that is formed at that is of transition state. Second one, that is it possesses the potential energy higher comparatively to that is of a reactant that is of the product. Next one important characteristics to define about that is of activated complex that is of there is established that is of equilibrium which is known as that is of thermodynamic equilibrium, and regarding to that is of constant is known as that is of equilibrium constant. Next one characteristics about that is activated complex to have the difference between its energy and that is the energy of that is of active molecule is also known as special kinds of the energy which is essential to react. All the reactant to convert into that is a product, such special energy is known as that is of energy of activation, and that is symbolized by that is of EA. Next one important point to define about activated complex theory, the difference between the energy of that is a product and active and that is of reactants to define a new types of the thermodynamic energy heat which is known as that is of heat of that is of enthalpy and symbolized by that is of del H. Also activated complex is such important species which is in that is in one bond is that is of partially that is of breaking, and next one is that is of partially bond is that is of forming. Next one that is of activated complex is transition species, unstable species, temporary species, and finally to emit the energy or heat, finally to produce that is of the product here. According to that is of activated complex theory, one can calculate the value of velocity of the reaction by using by the multiplication of two important factors. First one factor which is mainly concerned, that is of to define that is of energy of activated complex, which is expressed in terms of that is of in large bracket in terms of active mass or in terms of that is of star. When is now multiply the decomposition of frequency, which is symbolized by that is a nu, to give the value of the concentration of activated complex with that is of decomposition frequency of the activated complex, finally to give the value of that is of velocity of the reaction, and the value of activated complex and its concentration is calculated by using that is of fundamental thermodynamic that is of equilibrium and constant K star at you studied in that is of BSc part 2 using that is of third unit equilibrium. One can determine the value of that is of concentration of that is of active mass, which is symbolized by that is of AB star. Now the value of decomposition frequency of activated complex is now calculated by that is of for energy of the photon quanta, which is expressed in terms of E is equals to h nu, where h denote that is of Planck's constant, nu denote the decomposition frequency of the activated complex here, and on applying and separation, finally when the value of activated complex and its concentration is now when multiplied with that is the decomposition frequency to give the value of that constant, which is derived using that is the activated complex theory using two important constants. During the presence of two important types of the constant, first one equilibrium constant, which is defined in terms of K star, second one equilibrium constant, second types of the constant which is defined in terms of that is of rate constant and is symbolized by that is of K2 here. Now after the that is of applying of mathematical operation log, finally the required fundamental equation regarding to activated complex now derived here. Now these was the overall the discussion of activated complex theory. Now it becomes essential to compare its activated complex theory with that is of collision theory. In according to that is of collision theory, it has been decided, it has been considered to calculate the value of velocity of the reaction. It is depending upon that is offered the calculation of activated using that is the velocity of the reaction using that is of collision theory, depending upon two important factors here. First type of the factors which is known as that is of collision factors, collision coefficient, which is symbolized by that is of ZAB and is defined the number of reacting molecules, active molecules in per second colliding in per centimeter cube is known as that is of colliding coefficient or factor and symbolized by that is of ZAB. When is multiplied that is of much more that is of activated surface area, mathematically which is expressed in terms of partially RNS equation and is defined and is expressed in terms of e to the power minus E upon RT, when is multiplied the value of colliding coefficient ZAB to give the perfectly the value of velocity constant, and now finally multiplied and derived using that is activated complex theory. Now it becomes essential to the velocity of the reaction derived from that is of activated complex. Now we compare with that is a collision theory here. Then you know the collision theory, using collision theory the determination of velocity of the reaction depending upon two important factors. First one factors that is in our previous video we have defined here, that is of two types of the important that is of factors here, in which that is of various types of the features of collisions, and it's that is of two types of the factors we determine here by using that is the number of collision factors with that is activated complex, which is measured in terms of minus E upon RT by using two important that is of cases. Case 1 with different concentration A and NB are used, and that is of second that is of same reacting molecules AA are used in such a position when we compare activated complex theory that is of collision theory to give the value and after we compare important, that is of the finally the rate determined, we have derived using that is of collisions theory. When we compare, so obviously final the result we achieve to have the various three types of the constant, gas constant R, velocity constant K2, and that is equilibrium constant and Boltzmann constant. So obviously when we compare, that is after the modified collisions theory with that is of activated complex theory, so obviously we conclude that the probability factor is directly related to that is of energy or entropy of activation, which is symbolized by that is of del star. And in all activated complex, all thermodynamic aspect and energy are now expressed in terms of that is of star regarding to that is of gives the free energy del G star, change in enthalpy which is expressed in terms of del H star, and that is of internal energy del E star. On overall that is equilibrium constant del that is of K star. These are the various important thermodynamic aspects which are measured, expressed in terms of that is of star. Now today, after the overall the discussion and important features points of collision theory, activated complex theory, now it becomes essential to discuss some important definition points feature regarding that is of chain reaction. The first of all the feature I would like to teach you about that is chain reaction. Chain reaction is basically a specific class of the reaction here, in which after the treatment, after the explosive nature of the reactant to produce intermediate species in the form of free radicals, atoms. These free radicals or atom, these are transient short-lived species, and that is of to react with each other to produce, to enhance the velocity of the reaction, rapid of the reaction here to accelerate. Finally, that is of for a long timing. Thus, a long series of self-repeating steps are started here. It is the first important characteristics of chain reaction here. Second one, that is of now second factor, second that is of features of chain reaction is basically mainly concerned with that is of thesis research of the scientist who made that is of research about chain reaction. It is Bodenstein and Frank Rice, and that is of Hertzfeld, between the ranging of 1819 to 18 that is of 92 to that is of 1934. In a that is of a long timing periods, a research that is of made various that is of invention, discovered thesis reactions, discovered suggested by that is of Bodenstein, Frank Rice and Hertzfeld during the timing periods of 1892 to that is of 1934. Later on, that is of the next that is of a scientist Christian Kramers independently proposed chain reactions to that is of describe the kinetics of separately of unimolecular reactions. Next one, that is of third, and that is of fourth, all the chain reactions to involve certain important steps which are defined as that is of chain initiation steps, chain that is of propagation steps, and that is of chain that is of ending retardation inhibition steps also. Next one, the point number 5, to describe the characteristics of chain reaction, the probability factor for chain reaction is always processed that is of unity here. Next one, factors can also be explained the distinction between that is of chain reaction of curve 2 and that is of for non-chain reaction of curve 1, and that is of for slow reaction that is of curve 3. When a dynamic curve is plotted between that is the velocity minus dr or dx upon dt along with that is of timing, I mean to say three types of the curve now that is of produced here, recorded here. First one, that is of 2, that is of chain reaction to show about the curve of chain reaction. For non-chain reaction to show the curve that is of first one. Now 4 slow reaction to show the curve that is of 3. Let us discuss about that is of kinetics one by one. In that is of 4th chain reaction, the initial it becomes that is of minimum or minimized velocity initial rate, and slowly during the progress of the reaction, rapid to increase at the peak point. Now then that is of falls off suddenly in downward direction, and that is of minimized or that is of zero value. In the case of for non-chain reaction, which is shown in that is of curve 1, at beginning it shows the maximum, it passes the maximum initial velocity during the progress of the reaction. Now slowly the initial velocity, the maximum velocity suddenly that is of decreases to that is toward that is its minimum point. And next one, the curve that is of 3, which show that is of 4 here, that is a slow reaction, in which it show that is of minimum value of the velocity here, and suddenly jump up that is of velocity of the reaction here, but it doesn't take place the maximum velocity of the reaction, and finally to decrease that is of next one that is a parallel to that is of minimized direction. So these were the 3 important, first one, second one, 3 important dynamic profile which we have studied here for chain reaction 2 graph and for non-chain reaction 1, and that is a for slow reaction. Next important postulate I will teach you, that is of tomorrow. Now let me join to you that is what tomorrow's lecture. Now you take care. Goodbye. Thank you very much.